Hi, Mike Smith here with another episode of my home remodeling diary. And in this one, I'm going to answer the question, what are plan check comments? Plan check comments are the comments, questions, and clarifications that the building department requires from me before they'll approve my drawings for a permit. So I submit my drawings. They go through the process. They'll stop off at the building department, plan checker. Planning will look at it. Public Works, Fire, any other departments that has a say in your remodel. And after time, after they've checked it, they'll write up questions and comments that they want me to add to it. Half of them are just comments or notes that they want on the drawings. Very few are anything major. Maybe a detail, they don't like the way I've drawn something, but it's usually something that can be handled in about a week before they go back in for recheck. Now, it can take a little bit longer if I have to get a structural engineer involved. Maybe there's a structural beam that they don't like the way it is, or it could be anything, but these are just comments that they want to have clarified or notes on the drawings before they approve it. And once they do, once we submit it back in, usually about 5-6 business days, they're ready to issue the permit and you're on your way. So I hope that's helpful to you. If you have any questions, certainly drop me a line at ike@mdsarchitect.com. Or if you need an architect, go ahead and give me a call. I'll be happy to help you out. Until next time, goodbye.